Hello friends, my name is Rais and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to review a new cloud-based software Z. Z is the one click which activates autopilot campaigns and send 100 hot buyers to you in 24 seconds. For this you don't need to have a technical skills or experience required. The price for the Grapping Z now is only 17 USD, and usually it is $97 a month. You can purchase this only for $17. Hurry up, the price increases in 28 minutes and 9 seconds. Click on the link in the description below and grab this offer. Some of the features which I'll be showing you quickly is that a free visitor that results in a payday like $546, then $606, and this is the Billy Dar, the creator of this software, and this software is going to launch tomorrow. So hurry up and grab this offer with my link in the description below. Here you will see all of the features of this amazing software. These are the real person who are making money. Yesterday Zain Wasim for a third world country made $426. Then a student made 613 USD dollars. If you scroll down, you will see all of the introduction, what does this software does, how it can be used. Step by step video tutorials are there for you to guide. Then there is a quick start guide. It will help you in creating a first campaign. Then you have a question and answer call. Then I will show you the bonuses which I will be offering you along with this software if you purchase from my link only for you. The first bonuses is learn how to make effective copywriting. If you have issues in copying or writing any others content, then surely this will help you. Second one is how to use Instagram influencer. This is a very good bonus hack which I am giving you. The third one is the Bing ads. This is a Jonos Bing ad which will help you gain more customers and subscribers to your channel. The fourth one is License to Aurora, amazing software created by Jono Armstrong. Since I am a member of MOF, Ministry of Freedom, Jono is my teacher, and you will purchase this hack absolutely with only 17 USD dollars. And there is a special bonuses which from all the vendors you will get. This offers ends in 3 days. This is Jono Armstrong, the founder and creator of MOF. Now I'll quickly take you to the demo page. How does it look? Once you purchase the Z software, you will be introduced to your members area. There is a support desk, there is a training dashboard. In the dashboard you will see your affiliate offer, affiliate campaign page. You can design your page, you can backlink automation. There's an email campaign, SMS campaign, messenger bot is available for you, Instagram posting, and so on. Here are all of the sales pages which you'll be interested. You can customize according to your wish list and you can do it. So friends, thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please grab this offer. If you like it, just leave a comment and a review below. Link are in the descriptions. Thank you very much. Take care. Peace out.